3 years, dude. You gotta choose your hard here.
That's hard. Really? All while making a living? The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cameron Parish and southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Calcasieu Parish and southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Newton County in southeastern Texas, Orange County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Evadale to Vinton, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orange, Fort Neches, Vidor, Bridge City, West Orange, Vinton, Deweyville, Starks, Evadale, Morrisville, Gila, Rose City, Pine Forest, West Bluff, Gist, Pinehurst, Bonita, Hartburg, Forest Heights, and Toohey. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 in Texas between mile markers 880 and 857. Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 1 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Locations impacted include Lubbock, Devers, South,
community great, it's their small, locally owned businesses. So the Examiner has started a campaign called Buy Local 409. That's right, Buy Local 409. In a nutshell, when you buy from a locally owned business, between 48 and 78% of every dollar spent stays in our community, while on the average, a net
Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anaway, 13 miles northeast of Beach City, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour.
It's going to back down. You know, it complains that
and Oak Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. building.
God.
Since April. He was still in field training on July 14th when he stopped at a traffic accident and was fatally ambushed.
Oops. The movie? Oh, hell no!
The city has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern
The movie?
County in southeastern Texas, northeastern
Oh, hell yeah!
southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas,
That's
until
me.
4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over western Lake City, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over western Lake City, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60-mile sighting and trees. Locations impacted include Lake City, Kansas City, Lamar, Santa Fe, Webster, Hitchcock, Southern Clear Lake, Beckwith, and San Leon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Southern Clear Lake, Beckwith, and San Leon.
Ensure that you're not going to run out of funds so we can get before our patients and providers. So we're going to talk more about this. We're going to go to Utah and Minnesota to do so. And I'm now joined by KUER's Sage Miller in Salt Lake City. Hey, Sage.
Hi.
And Minnesota Public Radio's
Hypothetical, arbitrary, and assumed information is far from ideal, guys. Just imagine.
Maybe I have to look again, but I think it's almost 30 minutes of video content.
The station is activating the Houston area emergency alert system at the request of the National Weather Service in Leeds City because of a severe thunderstorm warning for Brazoria County, Harris County, Galveston County for the next 30 minutes until 4:50. Again, because of the National Weather Service in Leeds City telling us there is a severe for the next 30 minutes until 4:50. Again, in Galveston till 4:50 this afternoon. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system. Harris County and Galveston till 4:50 this afternoon. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system.
So what do we do with it?
Not just that one.
And click on
No option except to leave.
Reading of 11, all the examples.
I got 88.3, 88.7, 89.7. It was laying. 要这样子的 EOMs。It's sex. Gauss the calendar. A meeting broadcast. Metal Caddy. Metal Caddy. The most of around is equals to 60 miles per hour. Ooh. It's getting to Leaks about that right here. Leaks is right here. You got the County. Missouri County. There was counties.